Here's a Jeep that had a really bad day. Come on now, guys and gals. Just because you got a lifted up big old truck doesn't mean you can get stupid with it. Come on now. Golly, another one. How about a nice Pontiac Gto? The GOAT. Looks like somebody started some patchwork on it and didn't finish it. Well, look at that exhaust. Man, I'll bet this thing was loud. Jeez, what happened here? What is this? What was someone doing to this thing?
Looks like somebody sideswiped a giant thing of sandpaper.
Good Lord.
That's scorched.
Poor car. No, I don't think it's scorched. They sanded it.
Yeah, but look at how many tones and hues of metal are in there. It's ridiculous. They ruined it.
Yeah, someone did this on purpose. This was intentional. Looks like someone was trying to do some really shady body work. Ah, the interior's torn up too. Ooh, it smells horrible. Pioneer screen is melted. Ooh, that should be a biohazard. This truck, I don't think, has a single straight body panel left on it. And what's with the damn spider webs? I mean, this guy could have quite possibly got his eye poked out by a windshield wiper. How did you lose that eye there, Bob? Oh, you know, I was in an accident and the windshield wiper came right through the window and into my face. Here's a decent looking CTSV, at least from the back. Bio. Oh, I do. I see blood on the bags. And the doors. And this is the CTSV. Trying to maneuver around all these mud puddles. That sucks. Beautiful car. I say that about everything, but damn, can't even really see the engine anymore. Wow. Carbon fiber.
Just the hood.
Sad, sad. I have to show you this car. This is a Buick Regal. I had one of these. It was the same color. I don't remember the year of mine, probably a 92 or something like that. But I had one of these. This is a car that takes me way back to my younger years and kind of humbles me, brings me back to kind of back to where I started. I mean when I started, I mean before YouTube, before I had any kind of money at all. This is an 88 Buick Regal. Wow. I can't tell you the last time I've seen one of these. Yeah, like this brings back some emotions, man. I traveled all over. I mean, I put thousands and thousands of miles on this car. They're known for these door handles breaking, and when they break, you just got to reach in with your finger and push down on the lever. It's got the all-digital dash like mine had. Well, hold on, it looks like we still have a couple mechanical gauges. Oh, it smells old. Yeah, my dash was all digital. Everything was digital. Mileage, all of that. Wow. Can we pop the hood? I don't even see the hood pop. Manual windows. Mine was power. My buddy Daryl borrowed this car once, and someone didn't like him and took the lug nuts off the wheel. Wheel flew off, went into somebody's house. He hit something, ripped this whole fender to pieces, messed up the door, pulled the fender off of it. I had a hole through my windshield where I got mad at the car one time and shoved a pool stick through the center of the windshield. I drove that car everywhere. This is the second Audi TT we've seen out here. My brother just found it. It's not the same one as last time. This one's got 160,000 miles. And it doesn't have silicone all over the back window. But this one also doesn't say RS on that center plate either. Oh, look. Crown Royal. It's a cute little car. Looks like it took a little bit of a hit down low on the front here. Not too bad. I get the lot number on this one. It's a pretty decent looking Subaru Legacy, other than a cracked windshield. Did I say Subaru Legacy? I meant Porsche. Yeah, sorry, forgot about that. Huh. And this one still has power to it, which is unusual for any Copart car. Usually batteries are long gone on them. There's the lot number, 39458628. It was brought in, it's a 2006 Subaru Legacy, 141,000 miles. And it was brought in by Edmund Hyundai. So this was a trade-in, and that's common. You see a lot of cars that actually run and drive just fine, nothing wrong with them. They get traded into the dealership, and the dealership doesn't want to sell them. You know, not on their lot anyway. So they bring them here. And Edmund Hyundai, anything that says Edmund anything, that's a affluent neighborhood out here. Really, really nice area. It's where most of your wealthy people live. So it doesn't surprise me that dealership up there wouldn't even want this sitting on their lot. Although for the average Joe like me, personally, I think it's a great looking car. This is one that I would not hesitate to bid on in a heartbeat. Not at all. And I can tell that it's been driven recently. Pro tip, you can see the rotors. There's only very minimal surface rust on those. That's barely any rust at all on those rotors. They're still mostly shiny. Now when you see rotors that have rust caked on thick, see if I can find an example here. Several of these look like they have actually been driving recently. And I'll give you an example. These rotors right here, there's hardly any shiny at all. It's mostly rust where the brake pads rub. This is something that hasn't moved in a while. So that's something to look out for. If you're curious if a car has been recently running and driving, look for shiny rotors. It's okay that they have rust on them. There's nothing wrong with rust. That happens as they set. But if it's caked rust, that may be something that's been sitting for a while, and there might be a good reason why it's been sitting for a while. Nice looking Camaro SS. I'm surprised to see it still here. I did a video on this sometime in the past. It was a vandalism, if I remember right, or theft recovery, and there really wasn't much of anything wrong with it. What a great looking Camaro. I mean, it's no Mercedes S600, you know, but it's all right. Kidding, of course. And I've got a little bit of damage here. Not too bad. Not too bad at all.
So that's going to be it for the video, ladies and gentlemen. As I said in the last one, I am still on vacation just trying to find some enjoyable content for you to watch. And since you love the Copart videos so much, I have given you this as my gift. Shit. Anyway, that's going to be it for the video, guys. I might have a surprise for you. I can't tell you. My fiance actually had a great idea of doing something while we were in the Portland and Long Beach and all that kind of area. So maybe I'll have a surprise for you here in the near future. Until then, I'd like to thank you for taking time to watch this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like if you thought it was good content. If you thought it sucked, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to check out the merchandise store to get you a shirt, something that helps support the channel. Appreciate it. Have a nice day. No. Hey, seriously, guys, stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Yeah.